Tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix vanilla gift card decline. So let's get started. A declined vanilla gift card can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue and hopefully get back to shopping. Here are some things to try. The first one is to verify your card information. Double check that you're entering the correct card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Typos are a common culprit. If you're unsure about any details, refer to the physical card or the purchase's receipt. Second is to check for system issues. Visit the Vanilla gift card website or social media pages to see if there are any reported outrages or system maintenance. If there are temporary issues, wait until they resolve before trying again. The third option is to choose a different payment method. If you're making a purchase online, try using a different payment method, such as another credit card or debit card. If you're not at a physical store, ask if they accept alternative forms of payment. The fourth option is to contact Vanilla Gift Card customer support. Call Vanilla Gift Card customer support at the following phone number: 1-833-322-6760. They can investigate the issue and provide specific guidance based on your situation. So we prepare to provide your card number, expiration date, and the error message you received. Now, here are some additional tips. Make sure your card is not expired. Vanilla gift cards typically expire 5 years from the date of purchase. Ensure you have sufficient funds on the card to cover the purchase amount. Some merchants may have restrictions on using vanilla gift cards, so check with the merchant before making a purchase. If you suspect your card has been lost or stolen, report it immediately to Vanilla Gift Card customer support. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.